Hello. Today in this video we are going to learn how to add an app bar in a Flutter app. Okay, as you can see there is already an app bar from the projects I have created. So I will remove all this text in the center also, and this floating action button. Okay, let me remove this code first. Okay. So it is giving an error because I have remove this widget. Instead of this, I'll give this a scaffold widget because inside scaffold there is a field called app bar. As you can see, there is app bar. Okay, let me remove this code also. If I refresh this all will be gone. We'll remove this debug banner also. For this, I'll have debug show check mode banner. I'll give it false. It will remove the banner also. Okay. So this scaffold widget have a field name app bar. Okay. So it takes an widget. So I will give it app bar widget. Inside app bar, as you can see, there are many fields: key, leading, title, action, flexible space, bottom, elevation, scroll under, elevation, notification, predicate, shadow color. Okay. First, let me give it title. Title text widget. So I'll give it text. I call it go row D. Let me refresh it. You will see GoPro D title. I will center this. So for text to be centered, the title to be centered, there is a field called center title. I will give it true. You will see GoPro D is in the center. I'll give the background colors dot. I'll give it blue. Background color. I'll give it elevation 10.2 and shadow colors dot blue accent blue gray. I'll give. So there is some shadow you can see. For icons in the leading, there is a field called leading. Okay, I'll give it icon here. Icons the ABC outline. You can give any icon. I'll give it constant. It's constant. There is icon in the lead. For icon in this area, there is a field called actions. Inside actions, you can give icons also. Constant icons dot abc AC unit. I will give. As you can see, there is an icon in the corner also. In the action, there is each an array, so we can give multiple icons here. So if I refresh this, you will see 3 icons. Okay. So let's give text, color, style, text style, color, and give colors white and letter spacing and 2 point. Okay. So that's it. There are multiple fields in this app bar widget. You can check each of them by yourself. It will help you a lot. Okay. Thank you guys.